Picking up dollies by an AGV system requires a very high degree of precision. AGV systems require accurate information on where a dolly is located in order to be able to pick it up reliably and independently. If the AGV system does not have this information, the pickup process is delayed. Simple approaches, for example, work instructions for the worker or marks on the floor, are prone to error, and point-by-point measurements are often too slow or only accelerate the process to a minor extent. The Dolly Positioning SensorApp from SICK enables reliable place and position determination of a wide range of dolly types relative to the AGV system. To do so, the app uses the 3D time-of-flight data of the Visionary T AP 3D vision camera. The app can be executed directly on the camera. The evaluated measurement data can then be used for autonomous control of the AGV system, so that it can be positioned precisely under the dolly. Using time-of-flight technology, the Visionary T AP generates 3D data, thereby detecting the complete room volume. The SensorApp calculates the coordinates relevant for control of the AGV system based on this information. The Sopus Air configuration and diagnostic tool provides an intuitive user interface for adjusting the app to customer requirements. The use of a single hardware component which is used for detection enables easy mounting and commissioning of the solution. This also keeps the maintenance requirements minimal, which leads to higher efficiency in the process. When combined, the Visionary T AP 3D vision camera and the Dolly Positioning app create a reliable app hardware combination. The Dolly Positioning SensorApp is flexible in use and ensures reliable detection of the dolly position based on intelligent algorithms. SICK AppSpace – engineering framework for your sensor applications. All applications, all technologies, one ecosystem.